This is a My Jeep video, throttle body install on a 2008 Ford Expedition. And this will be part 3 of this series. I shortened the video and added narration to better clarify. Okay, we're going to start with this installation of the throttle body on a 2008 Expedition 5.4 V8. I decided to stay with the Hitachi throttle position sensor instead of changing over to the Motorcraft. I found great reviews on the Hitachi sensors, so I'll put the Motorcraft away for now. I'm hoping when this is complete that the ECM will reset itself. That remains to be seen. And we'll see you in the next clip coming up. Okay, I'm going to climb up here and set my light up. Hope I don't fall. Right now I'm just reviewing to see what I got, where I stopped. Okay, I'll move my light over here where it belongs, get it in place so I can see something. Removing the towel I had covering the throttle body hole. Now coming up, I need to clarify something I had wrong in the last video. I had referred to the 3 connectors to the throttle body as sensors. That was wrong. The one with the green tab that connects the line to the PVC valve. I always have a hard time saying that one. Okay, just about finished with this clip. See you in the next one. Okay, I'm back now. I'm getting ready to put the throttle body on. Now these are the bolts. These are 8mm bolts, and they're pretty long, and you can see there was no Loctite on them. I was doing some research on that, and I found a couple of places that said to put Loctite on them, but I was watching Auto One and TRQ videos, and they did not show putting any Loctite on them, and they were tightening them down to about 96 inch-pounds and giving them a little bit more of a turn, just a little bit more, and that's what I'm going to do. And as you can see, this has a reusable gasket on it. I think some, probably the Motorcrafts come with a brand new one, but they said this is reusable, and just to wipe it off, lubricate it and wipe it off, make sure it's clean. That's been done. This sensor right here, if I can get it in there. Okay, this one right here, you got to, you see that tab there? That tab goes this way. This is the sensor attached to the throttle body. Here's the connector, and there's the tab. You push down on that tab and it'll slide right up on there. I don't know if I can do it one arm, but I'll try. Sorry for all the fumbling around. Gotta put the camera down. Okay, you can see I got it on there, and you got to push that tab down. Can't see it right now because of the shadow. Anyway, there's a tab. You got to push it down, push it up on there, and there's a lock there. And you get up on there and let that tab go, and it won't. It keeps the sensor in place. I couldn't do it one-armed. Had to use 2 hands out. Okay, I got the throttle body on, and you see this piece. It goes on top of the front 2 bolts on the throttle body. I'm not sure what you call it. You call this, it's almost like a weight, but anyway, out for now. Got it torqued down. I didn't forget to put electric grease on the connectors to the sensors. I got that. So anyway, I'm going to take a break, about a half-hour break. I'm just taking my time. And this is part 3. I may have to do a part 4, and that will have to do with the reset. I think I'm going to have to do a full reset, which also involves driving. You know, getting it up to 45 miles an hour, slowing it down, accelerating to 45, slowing it down, you know, and letting it sit and idle for a while, shutting it off, starting it back up. It's a number of things. I probably will have to do that. Okay, this is my Jeep back again with another update. I was going through my videos and about half of them are real shaky. I don't know what happened. My camera on my phone's been messing up here lately. But anyway, what I did, my problems, about half of my clips were real shaky and messed up. So I'm going to try to review and cover what I'm going to miss on this next video I'm putting together. But anyway, what I did, as you can see, I've got the throttle body on in place and it's torqued. I did not use Loctite. There was nowhere it said that you had to use Loctite. There was no Loctite on those 4 bolts, and they're long. Anyway, I tightened them down, and there you see my small torque wrench there to 96 foot-pounds plus about another half turn is what some of the professionals said. So I got all 4 of those bolts in, torqued down 96 inch-pounds, 8 foot-pounds, and about another extra half turn is what they suggested. Okay, I got all my sensors hooked up. I got one there, and I've got another one. Yeah, you see the red right there. That's the throttle position sensor. I've got it connected, and both of those I put that electronic grease in there. And the one with the green tab over there, that is not a sensor. Again, I made a mistake in my other videos and called it a sensor. It is not. It's just a vacuum hose. Okay, and that's where I'm at. I got it torqued down. It's ready to go for the next phase. And I'm going to the next clip. I'll go back and review those bad videos, those bad clips. And if I miss anything on this short review, I'll come back and make another clip on that. Out.
Most of the clip was removing the shop towel and preparation to install. I don't know the correct name for this unit, but it connects the air hose to the throttle body. And you can see how it's mounted. It has 4 bolts, 2 on each side. One end goes to the throttle body and the hose hooks up on this end. This would be hard to get wrong. Now moving over here, we got the air hose that hooks up to the air box and the throttle body. Now one end of this hooks up to the throttle body mount over here, and the other end goes to the air box, which I'll show you here shortly. The air box is on the left side of the engine bay, and you can see it right here.
Okay, before I put everything back together, I'm reconditioning, cleaning this up. That bracket mount, I've already cleaned it up, and I'm going to do the air box. Close this video out now and post it later. These videos are getting too long, and I know most people don't like them if they get over 8 to 10 minutes. So anyway, I've got the throttle body in, as I said earlier, and I also got this air box hose mount that goes over the top of the throttle body. Let me get a little light on here. See right there, that is mounted and it's torqued down. I'm gonna have to recheck the torque, but I've got it torqued down to 96 inch-pounds also. Anyway, it's ready to be put back together. That should be a short video, and I might be able to combine the reset, I'm not sure. But anyway, I just don't want to make it too long. It's boring to start with because I'm an amateur and I'm not a professional. So I will see you on the next update. It'll probably be tomorrow, and I'll get this one posted. Thank you for watching. It's My Jeep Videos.